What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we got the GDI cleaner here. Okay, we're gonna pump this baby into this Honda Accord. Customer's request. Nothing is on us. Usually I do not like these. If you use a good gas, it should be, but over time, once in a while, it wouldn't hurt. But I do not take responsibility for some stuff like that. But it restores horsepower and miles per gallon. That's what it states. Okay, so if it does work, it does work. If it doesn't, oh well. Anyways, we do got a tubing here. You need to buy a tube. If you buy the kit, it should come with a whole bunch of stuff like this. What you can do here is you need to rev the RPM to about certain RPM. You can do 1500, 2000. You don't want to go crazy either. Anyways, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna select the vacuum cable. So what I usually like is I like the brake line here. This goes straight to the brake booster. So what I like to do is disconnect this little guy, and we are gonna connect this guy on it. And if you want to put a clamp on it, you can put a clamp on it. It's fine, or a strap tie on this little guy. And we got our pipe connected. Nice and simple. You could be driving the car. You could be doing this from the inside. Okay, so we got the tube here. One more thing that you haven't seen yet. Let me straighten this guy out. My friend's gonna help me here. You can buy a better pipe than this if you like, but you don't want to pull on it because you don't want to pull that side out. So this is going to reach all the way inside, okay? It doesn't matter if this is crunched up. It's all going to work out good because the vacuum is going to suck everything in there. Anyways, it goes all the way to the inside of the car. So don't hold it inside. Hold it outside while you're spraying. Okay, he's going to hold this little guy. So right here, you're going to have to buy some of these little blockers here. This is going to block the vacuum. So let's stick this on to this pipe here. Okay, drill a hole right through, and this guy is ready to go. Okay, so hold this baby outside. He's gonna do it, and I'm gonna show you guys as things go. Anyways, so we're gonna show you a small clip of it, and then just keep it doing it till you finish out the can. And go ahead and start the car. You see the vacuum? Yeah, spray. You gotta hold it here. Spray. Okay, hold on. Hold it like that. Spray. There you go. Spray again. Keep doing it. Do it. It's going. You gotta hold it here. So this pipe completely sucks. As the vacuum came on, it just got crunched and it held itself. And it created a seal. Anyways, we're gonna take this part. We got this from the Home Depot. So match up a size, and we're gonna use this pipe. Okay, we swapped up the pipe. This pipe is nice and good. I'm glad the customer got this. I was trying the other pipe. This is nice and firm, and guess what? It holds in nice and tight. You don't even have to put a clamp or anything there. So we're gonna go back in the vehicle again, and 1500 RPM. Shouldn't take you more than 5-6 minutes to do this job. And you also got to hold this straight, okay, and put your hand here. Go ahead, start. There you go. That's more like it. Spray. 1500 RPM. Spray. Spray. Just hold it down. Just hold it down. There you go. Just hold RPM, do like 2000. We should be seeing smoke soon out of the muffler. Nothing yet so far. System takes the time. There you go. 2000 RPM. Nothing is coming out the muffler. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be, but Doing good, it's going. Yeah. It's 2,000 RPM. All right, we're gonna do this for a little while and then we're gonna finish out the job. Okay, so we're gonna get this smoke, that's fine, and it's gonna take a while for it to clear up. But that's it. Your check engine might flash, but that's fine. After that, go for a spin. Make sure you put the brake pipe back in together, okay? Okay guys, job is complete. We're done, and after this, you gotta do the engine oil change, okay? You gotta, okay? Anyways, make sure you take this off. It's gonna have vacuum in it, that's fine. You take this pipe back in, and make sure you put that clamp on. Very important hose and pipe there. Goes to your brake booster. You leave that out, you're gonna have brakes, failed brakes. So finish this baby out. After that, do your oil change and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, guys. So I am gonna do the oil change and we're done. After that, take it for a spin. If you got a check engine light, scan it and reset it. So while we was doing this, we got a big cloud of smoke. That's fine, normal, and that's how it should be. All right guys, after a while, I let the car run for 10-15 minutes. We did an oil change as well, and there's no more smoke. Okay, there should be no smoke. It will run out over time. You will smell it like it's burning some type of carbon, some type of, but if I rev it now, we should not have a smoke, okay? We should not have smoke. You will smell it like a burnt type of smell. That's normal. So do your oil change after you do the service, after the smoke goes out. So it's all done and set to go. I'm gonna call up the customer. There should be no check engine lights, no nothing. Even after the transmission, there's no lights. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more and we will do more of these.